All right, guys, we're back from picking up our brand new TRD Pro Tacoma.
It's not a TRD Pro.
What's going on, everybody? My name's Jarrett. I got Corey on the camera today. Normally you see Corey in front of these videos, and I think it's good to show a lot more of the people behind Yota Xpedition, but we're right now in our 4Runner build, and we're heading to pick up a new Tacoma to do the same thing on the Tacoma as we're doing on the 4Runner right now. So we're going to pick it up. It's kind of a cool day. It's exciting. It's also a little nerve-wracking because it's another vehicle that we have to produce content for, to put parts on. But the core thing that I want to talk about is, why do we do this? You know, we want Yota Xpedition to be a company that does everything for the consumer. And what I mean by that is that we are putting on the parts, installing the parts, experiencing them ourselves so that we can understand what to tell you guys is the best options for your vehicles. So we buy it, we take it apart, we do the research, we install the products, we understand them, and then we turn that around into an experience for you guys that makes it easier for you to understand because we've done all the hard work already. So you're going to be seeing a lot more Tacoma content and maybe a Tundra and Sequoia, but first we got to get both these vehicles off the ground and website built out. So follow along on the journey today, and I hope you enjoy it.
All right, everyone, welcome our 2022 Tacoma to Yota Xpedition. If you guys have been following along, you would know just a few months ago, we bought our 2022 4Runner that we've been building, but we are nowhere near finished with this. We have tons of stuff left to do to it. We are kind of working our way to the top in stages. So whether you're the person that just wants to do a leveling kit and tires, or you want to do a full overland build, we're working our way up to kind of touch base on all the different levels of building a 4Runner while using the parts that we offer on our website. Now we have a Tacoma, so we're going to be doing the same process as we were on the 4Runner to this. So if you are a Tacoma guy or girl, make sure to stay tuned. We have tons of stuff coming for this, and make sure to check out YotaXpedition.com for any of your 4Runner or Tacoma needs. But until next time, thanks for watching, and remember, your expedition is on the horizon.